Hi, I'm Dave and welcome back to DIY with Dave. In this video, I'm going to build a spice rack for my spice cabinet. Now, this is a quick project, something that I wanted to put together just to add some more space to my spice cabinet, make it a little bit more usable and functional. The first step is to measure my spices. I'm going to make one larger shelf and one smaller shelf, and these are going to be attached to the inside of my cabinet door. Once I have some measurements, I cut some scrap pieces, and then in those pieces I'm going to add what's called a rabbet. And this is a little groove where I can insert another piece of wood to make a shelf. I'm going to use 3/8 inch dowels to kind of hold everything in, and so in order to attach those, I'm just going to drill holes into my pieces of wood and then glue the dowels in. ready for the install, I didn't want to mar my cabinets, so I didn't want to screw into them or anything like that. I decided to use this strong double-sided adhesive to really stick the shelves to the cabinet. Now I've got some extra space in my spice cabinet, so this should be great. Watching this video, and if you did, I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel. I hope that you liked the video. Add a comment if you have a question, or hey, if you didn't like it, add a comment and tell me why. That'll help me improve my videos in the future and improve my projects in the future. So thanks so much, and I hope to see you again in the future.